Hey y'all, this is Chef Shay. What's going on? So today we doing breakfast again, y'all, and today we're gonna be doing stuffed French toast using DivineKuizine sugar spice. So on this French toast, we're gonna stuff it with some cream cheese and some berries. So let's get started. Okay, y'all. So now we have softened cream cheese. We're gonna take some of our DivineKuizine sugar spice, about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. We're gonna take our vanilla extract, do about a tablespoon of that. And then we're gonna blend this baby together. Blend this mixture together. And remember that sugar spice is sweet, so it has warm spices in it. So it has like nutmeg in it, it has cinnamon in it, sugar, brown sugar in it. So it's gonna, it's an all-purpose sugar spice for when you're doing any type of baking or vegetables. So now we have whipped up our cream cheese. So now we're gonna fold in our fruit. So I have some berries and strawberries here. So we're gonna put those into the cream cheese mixture. And I'm just gonna fold them in a little bit, like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and spread this on our French toast bread. Okay, y'all, so to make the French toast, I got some brioche bread, loaf. So I am gonna cut this into pretty thick slices. And when you make French toast, you want a sturdy kind of bread. So I'm gonna use this. And then I'm gonna cut it probably like right here. It's like an inch. Like that. So you see how thick that is? It's kind of what I want. And I'm not going to use the end for my French toast. I mean, you can, though. I'm going to do 4. And you can do it thinner if you want, but I just kind of like it a little thick. All right? And then we're going to go ahead and do the mixture. Okay, y'all, so you're going to have 2 eggs. We're going to get ready to make our French toast mixture. So you have 2 eggs. You're going to take some milk. And don't worry, I'll have the measurements on DivineKuizine.com's website. And then we're going to take some vanilla. We're going to do probably about, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of that. And then we're going to do our DivineKuizine sugar. We're going to use our DivineKuizine sugar spice. For our sweetener. Sweeten these babies up. And then we're gonna, and then once that's well mixed, we're gonna go ahead and build our stuffed French toast. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna take our berry stuff, our mixture, and we're just gonna put it on the bread like so. This is gonna be good, y'all. Our stuffed berry mixture. And don't be stingy with it. You want a decent amount on it, And then you're just gonna put this, and then we're gonna end up dipping it in our milk mixture. Okay. So you see it's like that, like so, and then we're gonna dip it in our mixture, egg mixture. Okay, y'all, so we're just gonna take it. You wanna get all your egg mixture all nicely in there. Then we're gonna take it and put it in here. And we're going to brown all sides, and since it's pretty thick, it may take a little longer. Probably take about 10 minutes. But just check it to see, where it's at. So we're gonna flip it. See how that's coming out. It look good, y'all. Okay, y'all, so it's good. So I'm just gonna cook the sides a little bit. Just make sure it's nice and just for a good 1 or 2 minutes. Nothing for a long period of time. Just make sure everything's nice and melty and good. Okay. Okay, y'all, so you see how beautiful and golden brown. So now for the test of going in, cutting it. Look at that, y'all, the stuffed cream cheese inside. You gotta put that little powdered sugar on there. And then we're gonna go in for the taste. So I'm about to put a little bit of strawberries on top here. So you're gonna put a little strawberry here. Okay, y'all, so we finished our stuffed French toast using DivineKuizine sugar spice. You know, I always gotta put the plug in there as the sweetener. So now I'm gonna go in for the taste. Let me turn it around so I can taste it, y'all. I ain't never had stuffed French toast before. Let me tell you about it. Let me get one more bite though so I can get the real taste of it. You know what I'm saying? That's real good. It's real rich. And with that cream cheese and those berries, it balances out because you get the tartness from the fruit. But then the cream cheese, when we put the sugar spice, you know, the sugar spice is a little sweet, but it's got warm spices, and then it has sugar in it. And then we put the little powdered sugar and the bread. The bread is just delicious because, you know, bruschetta bread, it's thick, but it's sweet, it's soft. This is really, really good. All I need is some eggs and some bacon. So it's not too sweet, because I thought it was going to be a little more sweeter. So it's not too sweet, but it is rich. So to get this recipe and many more, go to DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all, Chef Shay.